Hi, today we're gonna make spicy beef with tofu. We're gonna use about one package of tofu, about 14 ounces. I use a soft one, soft tofu. Then we're gonna cut it to dice pieces, like that. Cut it dice. Okay. Okay, so we put it here for later use. The beef we use is any kind of beef, but you want to cut it thin slice, kind of real thin slice like that. Thin slice or maybe strip or cut small, thin. And we use about a pound here. And we're gonna put some white pepper in it. And some salt. And after that, we're gonna put some soy sauce in it. Just two tablespoons of soy sauce. Then after that, put some cornstarch in it. Around 2 tablespoons. Then also add a little bit of water in it. And you can feel it that you have to feel a little sticky, Table is right, see, and look like they need a little bit more, so we put one more tablespoon of cornstarch. So it's three tablespoons altogether. See, now you can see that they're sticky. If you put too much cornstarch, you just add some water into it. Then you put little oil in it. Okay. Okay, so now we can turn on the heat. Okay, then we put a little bit of oil in it, probably a couple of tablespoons. Okay. Beef in it. Just split them out a little bit. They're thin slice, so they're pretty easy to cook through. See, you can see them almost done. Yeah, that's almost done. See, almost all browned up pretty good. All right, we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of chopped up garlic and 2 tablespoons of chopped up ginger and some little bit of chopped up onions, regular onions, and let it kind of cook it, kind of fry them up a little bit on the onions and the gingers and the garlic. See until they kind of brown it up a little bit. And we'll put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And we put 3 tablespoons of silheng cooking wine. And 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. and two chili bean sauce, 2 tablespoons of chili bean sauce, a little bit onion, and after that we're gonna put 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce in it, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. And after that, so we have to put water in it. We put about 1 cup water. Okay, after that, we're going to put some green peas in it. And the tofu, we're going to put it in right now. Take it cook a little bit for the tofu, so you have to cook it, cook it down, make sure they're cooked. And I also, if the sauce are not too runny, that'll be okay. But if it's still runny, we can just add some cornstarch in it, so make it thicker. See, so it look like they just probably need a little bit. So I'm gonna mix a little bit. Just put some water. And then mix it just like that. Yeah, that's about right. You try to don't make it too thick, you know, just add a little bit at a time. One more teaspoon of soy sauce and make the color a little bit better. Get a little bit darker color. Okay. And put your green onions in it. I think it's ready right now. So we shut off the heat. We're gonna put a little cilantro in it. Okay, that's a spicy beef with tofu.